Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from Mint emails. If you don't have a Mint account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. To sign in, select your account. If you're going to use a different user, click on Use a different user ID. Next, enter your password. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Settings. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Notifications. Click on Notifications. On this page, you will see a section for email preferences. To unsubscribe, click on the close button beside Email Preferences. And now you'll no longer receive Mint emails, unless you turn it on again. That's how you unsubscribe from Mint emails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.